Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that users of Excel for Mac 2021 version 16.78 might encounter. The issue lies in the cluttered title bar that displays a lot of unnecessary elements, making it hard to focus on the file name and even more challenging to move the window around. In terms of the solution, here's what you can do to address the problem. You have the option to customize the toolbar by going to Excel Preferences ribbon and Toolbar and selecting the Quick Access Toolbar tab. Another method is to click on the ellipsis, 3 dots in the toolbar, and choose More Commands. This will allow you to remove or add specific items according to your preference. Solution aside, it's worth noting that you won't be able to remove the search box in the toolbar completely. However, it should contract to a magnifying glass when the window is narrowed, providing a more streamlined look. I hope this solution helps alleviate the clutter in your Excel window and improve your user experience. In summary, we discussed the common problem faced by users of Excel for Mac 2021 and provided a solution to declutter the title bar and improve functionality. By customizing the toolbar settings, you can remove unnecessary elements and focus on what matters most. Remember, a clean workspace leads to a clear mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel ing!